all the water car drivers.
Stinks.
Beautiful. Looks good.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, bleed me, master. Push on the pedal, see what it does. Oh, fuck yeah, bubbles. Yeah. Yeah. Try that. Ton of bubbles came out then. Yeah, that's definitely pushing it in now.
That's real good.
Well, we found the problem. Fixed.
Yeah.
I put the 10 mil down and now it's gone.
What'd you say?
I put the 10 mil down and now it's gone.
But why?
Story of our lives.
And then
Oh, where was it?
I put it back in the toolbox.
That's a first.
Don't you hate that?
for me or something, it's like
When you put logic into this, to something and then you can't find it.
Oh, of course that's an 8 mil. Someone do a pump.
down.
Whoa,
Just pump it. It'll be right.
look at those bubbles.
Bubble me up. Oh, there's some fluid.
It's actually not as dirty as what I thought it'd be, eh?
Oh, it's pretty gross.
Oh, it's not black.
It's probably mostly water. Ugh.
Is that sediment?
Yeah. It's just full of shit.
Oh,
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That was like mud.
yeah. It feels my heart.
Well, this one's not bringing air out, so.
Yep. Hold it down.
Down.
Chillax.
You gotta take crank pulley off my power bar.
Oh, yeah.
When you hit the power bar, and it's switch like back.
Oh. Whoa.
Moving. Yes,
Well,
go. Go.
It's actually almost the colour of Coke.
yeah. That can almost.
It just almost passes off as
Is
Coke.
there fluid left? Yeah. Alright, sweet. Keep going. Oh, there's a lot of goobies in there. Stop! So many goobies.
Hey Aaron, how do you make a tissue dance?
No,
You put a boogie in it.
it kind of grosses me out. I don't like other people's boogies. This one's pretty gross.
Haven't even started yet.
Oh, we started the oil on my
Rusty boy. That's just mud.
This is mud.
It
Oh, look
literally
at the
is.
bubbles too.
Pump it again.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the gooby bits. That's so yuck. Oh, the fluid looks alright now, but it's still full of brown shit. Well,
Shot it.
yeah,
It's just the brake line's corroding.
it'll be right.
Something like that.
The car won't last very long.
I remember the first time I jumped in your car with you and you scared the absolute shit out of you. That was good fun.
That was one of the manual converting race car, wasn't it? With Josh.
It was towards the end of the night and this started. She got one down, they go to my car and she just like freaking out. It's fucking brilliant.
I said something along the lines of it, like, if you had a small dick, it doesn't matter now.
Something like, if you have a small penis, you definitely don't now.
Yeah, that was it. That was it. Oh, hello. There's hands down there.
Hello.
What's going on here?
I'm drilling. Making us some seat rails.
Music.
Love it.
Good, Jay.
Oh, fuck, she's smoking.
Lovely. Yeah, am I a mad cunt or what?
Dancing to that song with her arms, wearing a dressing gown. Yes, I'm going to just
You do
wear
this shit
get
every
the
day of the week,
dressing
don't
gown
you?
from America.
Not every day, but I do a lot of custom
It was
stuff.
in the corner, but found it in the corner and you put it on. Yeah, because I was cold. I didn't bring a jacket. You're a weirdo. You just can't enjoy it.
It's not so much. How long is it? Good stuff. 45
Fixed.
Wait, you gotta get a pen and make a smiley face now. Ah.
How many lines is that?
It's a happy seat rail.
Hey, Burger.
Oh, where's Pogo? Hey, fatty catty. Pogo. Hey, buddy. Meow.
Lovely.
So what's our goal for the last like hour of our lives here?
Finish the seat mounts, put the seat in, I guess. So then we'll have something to sit on.
You're not going to bother finishing it today?
Oh yeah, finish it now. Just gotta weld it on, basically.
You look comfy there, Charlie?
Stance. You take on some mud from the QR. Sorry, man.
Mint. I'm gonna try it while it's rolling. Already having trouble.
I think we need a Aaron, I think we need a sunroof.
Can we cut a hole in the roof?
Just for Nick's head. You probably do it that way.
You could sit in the back seat.
Yeah, like this, Charlie?
Yeah.
Dance to lean.
Want to buy stock S12 seats.
Yeah. Straight up.
Yeah, you're in there, alright? Whoop up, boo.
Whop up in my pants. Yeah, as long as it goes forward a bit, be alright for me. Maybe hold on, be like this. Just gangster lean it.
Okay.
Ready?